Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing very well. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a very good short-term pattern because I tried it myself and achieved quite good accuracy. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Along with this, I'll also explain why beginners and sometimes even average traders often end up taking trades that move in the opposite direction. If they trade expecting a green candle, the market goes down. And if they take a trade expecting a red candle, the market turns bullish. So, why does this happen? Often we apply good strategies and have learned everything well, but our entry timing is still not right. Binary trading is a bit different from forex trading. We learn strategies and they work very well in forex trading. But today in this video, I will explain how to use them in binary trading, along with some mistakes that 80% of people make. In binary trading, I will clarify those in today's video, okay? First of all, I will find a chart here in the currency pairs, okay? I am not taking OTC, I am looking at the real market, okay? So the chart is moving in this way here. Now I can see a flow in this that from here, after some consolidation, the market is also bullish. So I can apply a parallel channel here and wait a little. I will go here and select the parallel channel. After that, I will adjust it in such a way that the market flow remains within this channel. Okay, just watch carefully and you will understand everything clearly. So I have placed it like this. Okay. Now the direction is becoming clear. To analyze where the market is currently moving, I will take a horizontal line here and place it here. But what is its price? The last one, okay? The market started to become bearish from here. I have placed a level there. Now the thing is, will the market test this level and move in a downward direction? And until when will it move downwards? This is a small support level, meaning it's a level for a bullish movement. The market will try to reach there. Okay, so I might miss the trade for a downward movement here. I have placed a trade in the downward direction here for $150. Now you might be seeing that the market is moving in the opposite direction. So it will go to tap the level above. And after that, the market could become bearish. Okay, since I have already placed the trade, there is no issue as such. I already knew that the market would definitely go to tap that level. And only after that could the market become bearish here. So for now, I will have to wait for this candle. The closing, I think this is a 3 minute trade, so I'll wait until it becomes profitable. And let me tell you one thing. See, in binary trading, the direction doesn't matter as much as where we book the profit. Time is important in this, unlike in forex trading, where we select a point thinking the market might turn bullish from here by applying some technical analysis, and we set a stop loss below so that we know if our stop loss will be hit. We decide for ourselves how far it can go, but here, whatever our investment is, we are going to lose 100% of it. Okay, for example, if we have taken a $150 trade, we cannot select a point here to stop our loss. Directly, it will either be a profit or a loss. This is a big risk here, and that is why I always want you to use only 1% to 2% of the amount in your account. Because binary trading is highly risky, so for this reason, many things should be kept in mind. Okay? And one more thing that is becoming very popular is the martingale step, right? You should absolutely not do this because look, just think for yourself. You have placed a trade and it is already at risk. The trade is fine, but after that trade results in a loss, you are doubling the step. Meaning, if you are following the martingale step, that trade could also result in a loss. How long will you keep doing this, right? Beginners have a limited fund. Where will they bring such an amount from? And even if you have the funds, is anyone here to waste it or are you here to gain profit? Right? So keep your mindset very clear. Keep the technical analysis mindset that we maintain in Forex. This is binary trading. It's not like we keep pouring our money into it here. I hope you're understanding things. You need to have a lot of control over your emotions here because here, profit happens in 60 seconds, in 1 minute, in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So a dopamine hit occurs, thinking that perhaps if we can make this much in 1 minute, then in 3 minutes, it means we will make a lot of profit in half an hour. We can make a lot of profit in one day. Look, it doesn't work like that. Okay, you have seen that there are equations for how much profit a person should make in how much time. So these things are fixed. So there is no need to be so hyper and aggressive or what we can call revenge trading. Set your daily targets for how much investment you want to keep and how much profit you want to make using that amount. Okay? If you trade in this way, you will develop a good habit and gradually you will be able to grow here. If you do revenge trading like gambling too much, then you will never be able to become a profitable trader here. Okay? Otherwise, if you are a beginner and want to make your daily trading a bit profitable, you can visit my Telegram, where you can get many benefits on a daily basis. Okay, so the market flow is moving in this way. So I will use the zigzag indicator here so that I can know its higher highs and lower highs. Based on that, I will analyze the market structure here and try to take an entry at a good spot. So here, I will take it here. First, a horizontal line, and I will place this horizontal line here. It is important to look around where the market is currently moving to see where the market has become bearish and where it has become bullish. Okay, so here I have placed two trades in a downward direction, $150 and $150. My total investment here is $300. Okay, now here you will see that I have placed a level where the market previously turned bearish, right? After that, the market tapped from here and turned bearish. So this is a confirmed sign that the market's movement from here will be bearish. And until when? Until it reaches its support level, the market's movement can remain bearish until then. Okay. Also, let me tell you one more important thing. Many times, you must have noticed that even though we are applying all the strategies correctly, our trades are still resulting in losses. Why does this happen? Sometimes there are news or some events going on any place. Okay, there is quite a lot of volatility in currency pairs here, and because of this the risk also increases significantly because we cannot decide immediately as it is fluctuating suddenly. The market goes up in 1 second and down in 2 seconds, meaning if the market flow is like this, then how will we be able to analyze it? Okay, and since this is binary trading, there are chances of loss here even in small time frames like 5 seconds, 3 seconds, or 4 seconds. So it would be better for you to avoid trading at this time. Okay, and an important thing is that you shouldn't try to become a profitable trader directly on a live chart. If you are a beginner, first try practicing on a demo account to see how the strategy you have chosen is working. And the first thing is to be able to understand the chart, how the chart's movement is happening, and when we apply any strategy, how it is performing there. You can set support levels and resistance levels. First, you have to learn, and then comes the point where we take live trades. So, money management is also on our mind. We have to trade with a proper mindset. I get messages from many people on Telegram saying, Mom, I started, I lost $5, I lost $10, and quite a lot. A lot more than that, too. So, I suggest a different strategy for them or else. Some signals, etc. So, if you are also interested, you can message me on Telegram. Okay. Apart from that, you have to keep in mind that you need to use proper technical analysis with your mindset, which includes support and resistance, candlestick patterns, and how we can use trend lines. And the most important thing is price action movement, okay? How price action is moving. It is very important to understand this. Only after that can we become profitable traders here. Anyway, I will bring more informative videos for you one by one, and I will try to be regular on my channel now. And there is one more thing you need to do. You have to drop a yellow heart in the comment box of this video for inspiration. Okay, so guys, finally my trade here has become profitable, and the market movement has been in a downward direction quite nicely. Okay, besides that, if you have any doubts in this video, you can tell me in the comment box. I will try to bring the next video related to your doubts, in which your doubts will be cleared. And if one person has a doubt, it is possible that many people might have a doubt on the same concept, so you can share that. Okay, now we are going to provide very good knowledge to you in every trading field, and you will be able to grow very well and understand that trading binary trade works in a way. Okay, if you have come to the channel for the first time, then subscribe and keep it. Look what is happening here, the market movement, the market is here, it is fully showing quite a lot. Okay, so I will change the chart here. See, never find such a chart that is directly bullish or bearish, so we cannot analyze anything in such a chart. Okay, there should be a chart where the market has been both bullish and bearish. Okay, it just shouldn't be consolidation type, not a sideways market. I hope you are understanding some things about what the difference is between a sideways market and a market with good movement. Okay, if you have any other doubts, do let me know in the comment box. See you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you.